bitches was looking for me.
Bitch, here I go.
Bitch, I heard you bitches was looking for me.
Stay on my mind, thinking about you, thinking about you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a middle part slick back bun tutorial. It was requested through my story. I asked you guys for some video suggestions and this was requested. So here you go. Let's just hop right into the video. Okay y'all, so starting off, what I'm gonna do is take my hair out of this ponytail or whatever you want to call it. Don't tell me I left the gel out of all things. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is start spraying my hair with the water. And then I'm gonna take the ends and spray that. And now what I'm gonna do is try to basically brush it. Make sure it's wet so it can be easier to detangle. And I know I told y'all to like do it from the back. You know what? Because I was gonna try something different, but no. We're just gonna go ahead and start from the bottom. Because if not, I'm gonna be sitting here trying to detangle this all day. now that that is all detangled out, I'm gonna take my pick, like in the other video, and part it down the middle, since I am doing the middle part tutorial or whatever. Somebody asked, somebody requested, and when y'all request, I give. Okay, period. That looks straight. Baby, what are you doing? Y'all, guess what time I'm filming this? It's 11:57. Like, I don't know, like, what's up? Like, I'm always filming late, like, it never fails. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is brush this. Y'all know what I'm finna take. My hands just be getting so messy when I do these. I'm finna take this Eco Styler. Dang. My hair is shedding so much. I would say that these ponytails are very self-explanatory, but it's different little hacks and techniques that you can use that make your buns different. So my technique that I'm finna show y'all that makes mine different is the way I brush my middle parts. Okay, now what I do, how I brush my middle parts is when brushing my middle parts, I go forward. So like, and back. So this is how it looks in a ponytail. If it's white around the ponytail holder, then that's just the gel and stuff. So yeah, this is how it looks. Y'all see from me brushing it forward. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's a little wet, so we're gonna put that back there. Okay. Wait, let me clean my hands before I start the rest of this. Okay, anyways, now what I'm gonna do is my baby hairs, and I'm like kind of like further brush the side. Look, I got a bald spot. Okay, boom. And then I take out look, you could just leave it like this, where it is like a little cute ponytail or whatever. But now we're gonna go ahead and like swoop it up. Boom, boom. And there you go. And then sometimes if you want to be extra, I really don't be knowing what I be doing back there, but I just be brushing. And then get cute. Fancy lip gloss. And then if you want to, you can throw on some lashes, but we barefaced with some lip gloss, period. Because we cute like that. Period. You don't always need makeup, sis. Okay. Alright. So that's all to the video for today. You guys see how it turned out. Y'all see the little baby hairs I tried to put back there. But yeah, that's all for the video today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and learned. And also, you know, from my last sleep back tutorial, you want to lay it down so that your baby hairs and everything can just stay in place and everything can be sleek and stay in place, like I said. So yeah, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me more video suggestions down below. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, baby.
It's gonna be okay, okay, okay. Just don't leave, okay, okay, okay.